On-the-spot cooking. A delicious journey through language. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a flavorful expression that's sure to spice up your English vocabulary. On-the-spot cooking. This phrase is not just about food. It's about the experience and the method behind preparing it. So, grab your aprons, and let's start cooking up some knowledge. On-the-spot cooking refers to the process of preparing and cooking food directly in front of the customer or at the moment it is ordered. This concept is popular in restaurants, street food stalls, and events where the freshness and personalization of the food are key highlights. It's not just about serving food. It's about creating an engaging experience for the diner, where they can see, smell, and sometimes even customize their meal as it's being prepared. On-the-spot cooking is a global phenomenon, celebrated in various forms around the world. You'll find it in open kitchens in restaurants, where chefs prepare meals in view of the customers. Street food markets, where vendors cook food fresh for each customer. Live cooking stations at buffets and events, offering dishes like pasta, stir-fries, or custom-made omelets. Food fairs and festivals, where chefs showcase their skills and interact with the audience. This method adds a layer of transparency and trust, as customers can see the quality of ingredients and the chef's expertise. On-the-spot cooking has several benefits, including freshness. Food is at its peak flavor and nutrition when freshly made. Customization. Customers can often request modifications to suit their taste or dietary needs. Entertainment. Watching food being prepared is a sensory delight and adds to the dining experience. Trust. Seeing the cooking process builds confidence in the cleanliness and quality of the food. When talking about on-the-spot cooking, you can use phrases like, "The chef whipped up my meal right before my eyes." "I love how customizable my dish is at a live cooking station." "There's something special about eating food that's been made to order." These expressions help convey the immediacy, personal touch, and freshness associated with on-the-spot cooking. And there you have it, folks. On-the-spot cooking is not just a way to prepare food. It's an experience that combines freshness, customization, and entertainment into one delicious package. We hope this video has added a new flavor to your English learning journey. Don't forget to practice using today's phrases in your conversations for that extra zest. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.